मेरा देश सबसे प्यारा है।
My school is real public school first half. I was very happy. In the finance and today in the college, India got independence. Now first I am very happy to the giant Jawahar Giant public school.
बोल जवाहर है क्या? तरावी and all my dear friends, my name is Sonia from Satikalam Elevated Katamata. I live in Eastern Class LKG. My school name is Union Public School. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today is Independence Day. We are celebrating Independence Day. India got independence on 15th of August 1947. We are continuing to celebrate in August. I am very happy today join the Union Public School. Thank you so much.
Very good.
आप लोग इसमें क्या करते हैं?
क्या खून खराबा करके क्यों नादान बने, आपस में टकरा के खेलते वन।
My name is Asar Parveen, daughter of Kalam Elevated Katamata. I am class standard LKG. My school name is Union Public. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today is Independence Day. We are country celebrating 74 Independence Day. India got Independence Day. Since 15 of August, I am very happy today. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Union Public.
नफीस नाम है, नफीस नाम है।
मौज देंगे बांधे सर बांधे बांधे